Todd Reichert. I'm the founder of Beta Foils, and we're here at the Freefoil Summit in Wörthersee, Austria. The idea of this event is to gather together people from around the world to explore freefoiling, which is a version of pump foiling where we leave the dock and go explore. Today we're at Forstsee, and this is absolutely a freefoil playground. So we're learning to jump off of anything that we can. And the entire shoreline is just beaches and rocks and unique features that offer different opportunities to launch. It's just a little small lake with endless opportunities. So today is the 10K Freefoil Challenge. This challenge is meant to push both your endurance and your comfort zone. We're going from dock to dock around Wörthersee, launching from different locations, crossing the lake, doing a total of 10 kilometers on one of the routes and 5 kilometers on another. It's not a race, it's a group ride where we're basically going on this adventure together. We're launching this as a new pump foil milestone that anyone can take on. The milestone is go on a 10K journey, leave the dock, journey 10 kilometers, and make it back where you started. Record your route with either foil motion or foil sessions, and you're gonna get the 10K badge.
Thank you so much. That was great. I'll remember that forever.
Oh, perfect.
My name is Roman. I am one of the founders of the Pumpfoil Club Austria. And together with the local tourism agency and with Todd Reichert, we hosted the Freefoil Summit 2026 here in this beautiful region in Kärnten on this nice lake, Wörthersee. The last 2 days were absolutely amazing. And tomorrow we go for a unique freefoil experience at Lake Weißensee.
Today we're at the most beautiful lake that I have foiled on in my life. Today we're putting it together. We learned to launch from anywhere. We pushed our comfort zone, leaving the dock, going on an adventure. And today we're just gonna go play. We're gonna go on an alpine freefoil adventure. Basically just start heading down the shoreline, finding launch spots along the way, and we're just gonna go explore the lake.
Einfach mal alles rausschütteln und
Hallo, ich bin der Patrick Rauter, ich bin von der Tourismusregion Wörthersee Rosenthal und da für Sportmarketing zuständig und wir sind super glücklich, dass wir erstmalig das Freefoil Summit nach Europa geholt haben. Der Freefoil-Sport ist eine Weiterentwicklung des Pumpfoil-Sports, das quasi die Freeride-Variante ist. Das heißt, man kann überall starten, man braucht nicht mehr zwingend einen Steg, wo man losstartet, sondern kann von Felsen, von einem Baum wegstarten und ist ein sehr dynamischer und nachhaltiger Wassersport, was uns in der Tourismusregion sehr, sehr wichtig ist.